Good morning. It is Monday morning here in Virginia, day after Easter, and I'm back out here trying to get on one of these birds that I've been trying to get on here the last two go rounds. So week 3, third weekend ish, and it's Monday, so it's not really weekend, but trying to get on those birds. So I was gone all weekend. This weekend we took camper and the family went out and did some camping down southwest Virginia. Oh, I'm tired. Got some hiking in and some exploring, so that was fun. So if you haven't seen that video, go back and check it. It should be up by now, but go check out that video. It was fun. Down hanging out, exploring the Blue Ridge Parkway area there. It was a lot of fun. But at any rate, came back down here to the spot where I've been the last 2 times where I've been on them birds. So buddy of mine, he had said that when he was out this weekend that birds seem to be a little bit more vocal than they have been. So hopefully that's a good sign that maybe we got some birds starting to kind of be a little bit more callable. So we'll see. I'm a little worried this morning because I didn't check the weather, but when I had checked the weather end of last week before I took off for the weekend, everything was fine. But this morning when I was checking to see what the temperature would be, come to find out it is going to pour rain today. So I'm hoping that I can beat the weather here this morning, get on a bird and get a bird down before this weather moves in. And it really messes up my plans today. I took today off to come out here and hunt, and then as well as get some stuff done this afternoon. Out, we've got an outside project I'm working on, digging some new flower beds and garden beds and stuff. So, anyway, that's the plan. I'm tired. It was rough getting up this morning, and I'm a little sore from some of the activities this weekend and sitting in the truck for hours on end. So it's all right. You can't get them when you're laying in bed. So come out here and go find me a turkey. Well, I'm out here. The sun's starting to come up. It's about 6 o'clock. Just about shoot time. So it's about the time I've been hearing birds on the roost. Had 2 guys roll up as I was getting my gear together to head on in. They're going to head on over to the pipeline, and I'm walking down parallel to kind of parallel to that on this trail. It's just kind of like birds I've heard have been kind of in between the pipeline and this trail, so this kind of works. So I mean, if that's where they were headed in, then whatever, don't bother me. I'll go wherever. I know there's birds back in here. At least there were, unless they got shot. So we'll see. Weather's moving in. Clouds are coming in. So I don't know how much time I've got before it gets ugly. It's supposed to be pretty rough today, so we'll see. But I'm moving slow this morning though, that's for sure. Let's see if we can strike one up. Nothing. Well, we'll keep walking down this trail. Just figure I'd stop and give a listen. Rain's starting to come down. But I thought I just heard some clucks over there. I was really hoping to beat this rain. One, I don't have any rain gear. And 2, my camera gear is not waterproof. tell this rain's on the leaves is too loud. Could have sworn I heard a cluck over there. Sun's coming up though. Look at that. Looking at that, you wouldn't think that this rain's coming down. It's supposed to be rough today though. Guess I'll work my way back to the truck. Not a peep. Any of the crow calls or any of these yelps, but what I might do is go back to the truck and see how this weather pans out. I can run down to some fields down the road here. Yeah, we'll see, but sometimes this is how it goes. Just as I turned off the camera, I started heading back. I heard a tom fire off. And there's two over here, there's one deep over there. I think these guys are ripping this ridge line over here. And try and draw them across. Well, that was a colossal mess up. Crap. Turned out to be Jake's. I don't know if that was a Jake's that were trying to gobble there or not, but I thought there was a bigger tom. There was an actual tom. And I was trying to wait. I shouldn't have waited. That was stupid. I kind of figured because they stopped gobbling, but I thought I could hear putts or clucks or whatever here and there. I thought, and I had two birds that flew across that I saw from the other side, and I could still hear a bird way out gobbling. Man! But they came up, and I had one come over here, and it spotted me and took off. So I quick turned the camera on because I was hoping maybe it would be more because I thought I was hearing clucks. And then I started seeing some birds over here, and I thought I saw a hen. And then I heard a gobble when I started working on the call. Man, I feel stupid now. I had that one Jake dead to rights. And like, this would be my first turkey. I'm okay with my first turkey being a Jake. Perfectly okay with that. Now, a whole group of Jakes just sitting right here in front of me. And I just I don't know what I was waiting on. I thought there was like an actual tom, and I actually thought I saw like a fan. Man, that was fun though. That is the first time I've had an experience like that turkey hunting. This is my 4th year turkey hunting. Taking this long to get here. But I had 2 birds come across. I'm pretty sure when I got up to move, because I was not in a good spot for at first. This turned out to not be the best either. But you never know where how they're gonna come in. If they had come the way that one bird over here came, the one that took off, it would have been fine. But I think the one that came, I saw one fly across over here, and I could hear it over there. And I think it spotted me when I was trying to move up the hill. I was too far down, so I was trying to get up the hill. But man, oh well. It's all about opportunity, and I had an opportunity today. I just screwed it up. It's alright. You learn. And today I learned a lesson. It was pretty cool though, calling in my first turkeys. The rain's starting to come, so I better think about getting out of here. I'm not going to see those birds for a while. I don't want to pressure them too much anyway, so. On to the next adventure. So really what I'm doing here is I missed the Jake walk of shame. Oh man. Oh well. At least I had an opportunity. Rain's starting to come down a little bit better. I want to stay out here and chase some birds, but I can't afford to get my gear wet. It would not be good. Plus I'd have to just pick up and move areas anyways, so I may still run down to those fields. We'll see. I'm just try to get for hesitating. Thought there was a tom with him, and waiting to see if there's a tom coming up in the rear there. I don't think there was. Don't think there was. Just a group of jakes. But that hesitation cost me my first turkey. It cost me a much needed win out here in the woods. But it's alright. Get back to the truck here, get everything put away, head back to the house and get busy doing some chores. So appreciate y'all sticking around with us, and hopefully I was able to get those birds on camera here and give you a little something excitement. Watch me miss my first turkey. Yeah. It's alright. Leave the comments. I got thick skin. But appreciate you guys following along. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, reach down, hit that subscribe button. We got proof. Terminal game calls. They work. Because I called in turkeys today with them. So head on over to Terminal Game Calls, link around here, link in the description. Tell them that Chris and Garrett from Old Breed Outdoors sent you, and pick you up some turkey calls. Anyway, thanks for following. Hit that subscribe button. Really appreciate it. See you next time.